Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we will study how to prepare this 3D model in AutoCAD. So before we start with the drafting, let us spend some time in analyzing this drawing and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing, I feel that the best starting point would be drawing of this lower rectangle which is of 36 units by 72 units. Then we'll elevate it or extrude it to a thickness of 24 units. Then on the upper surface or the upper face, we'll draw another rectangle of 48 units by 24 units and give it a thickness of 16 units. Then on this face, we'll draw another rectangle of 48 units by 12 units and extrude it outside by 12 units. And finally, we'll join all the components with the help of the union command of AutoCAD. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the rectangle. So step 1, create a rectangle 36 units by 72 units. So we go into our drawing and we select the rectangle and we type 72 units, press tab and give 36 and hit enter. So our rectangle is now ready. Then we'll click on this icon over here and click on the home tab. This will take us into the 3D view. Now we want to extrude it to a thickness of 24 units. So we type the extrude command of AutoCAD and hit enter. It is asking us select the object to extrude. So I select this object, then I hit enter and I extrude it to a thickness of 24 units and press enter. You can also click over here in the 2D wireframe and select shaded with edges. So it will show you this way, a little bit realistic version of your drawing. So we have created this lower rectangle of 36 units by 72 units and extruded it with a thickness of 24 units. Now we want to make this rectangle 48 units by 24 units on the upper face. So on this face, we want to make the rectangle. So we use the rectangle command and then we click over here and say give the thickness as 48 units by 24 units and hit enter. Okay, so it is 48 by 24. Now we want to extrude this rectangle to a thickness of 16 units. Why 16 units? Because this is already 24 and total is 40. So 40 minus 24 is 16. So we click over here and we type extrude and hit enter. And this time we'll press L. What this does is it selects the last drawn object and we press enter and give a thickness of 16 units and hit enter. So our this rectangle is also ready. Finally, on this plane or this face, we want to draw another rectangle which is of 48 units by 12 units. You can see 48 units by 12 units. So again, on this face, we select rectangle and on this plane, we type 48 units by 12 units and hit enter. Then we type extrude and we type L for selecting the last drawn object. Press enter and we extrude it outside to a length of 12 units and hit enter. Now our geometry is complete except that all the objects are separate. So we will use the union command of AutoCAD and select all the objects and hit enter, and it will combine into one unit. So with this we finish this particular geometry. So friends, in this tutorial we have seen how to create this AutoCAD 3D model. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.